Hi, Monica.
Hello, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Okay, Monica. And where are you from?
I'm from Khammam, Nelakondapalli, sir.
Okay. And about your education qualification?
I have recently finished my MBA Finance from Nallamalla Reddy Engineering College, sir. The college is located in Gatke, sir.
Okay. And about your family?
My family consists of 4 members, sir. My father, his name is Narendra. He is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker, sir.
Okay.
I have one elder brother, sir. He is currently working in a private organization, sir.
Okay. Fine. And how do you know about SVC Institute?
While I'm browsing Instagram, I comes to know about this SVC Career Solutions.
Okay. What did you learn from SVC during this 2.5 months training?
I gained immense knowledge in accounting, investment banking, derivative market, and live trading. How is it going to be in real life? And mutual funds. I have improved my communications through jam sessions, group discussions, and HR sessions, sir.
Okay. Good to know that. And share your interview experience.
I got selected in Wells Fargo company, sir. The company had conducted 3 rounds of interview. First round is HR personal interview, sir. Majorly, they had focused on my communication skills, sir. After that, in technical 1 and technical 2, they had focused on accounting and investment banking subject related questions, sir. And I have answered 90% of questions, sir. They impressed with my performance and they have selected me, sir.
Okay. Good to know that. When you are going to join?
This Monday, sir.
Coming Monday.
Yes, sir. next
Okay.
month.
Congratulations and all the very best.
Thank you, sir.